Welcome to Grease Monkey Garage. Oh.
V8. I'm trying to record where all the bits go. An idea of where all the bits go, and we'll put them all back. Hopefully. Carbs off, and the distributor, HT leads, just keep it recording off where all these cables go. And then I'll clean it all up. What you doing?
Working on nasty one V8.
V8 3.5 liter. That's the air intake taken off. Yo. Change your oil, people. Okay, back on the V8, taking all the ancillary bits and pieces off. We'll be taking off the head now, the two heads, and getting rid of all this crap that's stuck in here. Ew. And I think we'll be needing a new oil filter, since that's the last one. It came off of down there. Bit knackered deal. Head's now completely removed from the rest of the V8 engine. And just got to start stripping these valves out and cleaning up all the crap that's in there. Fun. Underneath the head, see that the valves are nice and shiny. I mean the cylinders nice and shiny. No lip on the edges, which is awesome. same on this side. No lip on these guys. I've sprayed in here just a WD-40 just to keep it clean. And then we'll be taking the sump off and checking the bearings. Flip the engine over. Obviously take all the gubbins off as well, because apparently this V8 engine won't fit in the TR7 if all this is still on. So I need to put an electric fan on. If anybody knows any better, wants to give advice, please write in the comments and let me know. But we are getting there.